Hello, and welcome to this presentation on Roald Dahl, presented by Alison Bennett. On September 13th, 1916, Roald Dahl was born in Wales. His parents were Norwegian immigrants, and he had four sisters. He was named after a Norwegian explorer, Roald Amundsen, who was the first man to reach the South Pole. Roald Dahl spent 30 years with his first wife, Patricia Neal, before divorcing in 1983. They had 5 children together. He spent the remainder of his life with his second wife, Felicity Crossland. Dahl spent his youth bouncing around boarding schools. He attended St. Peter's, Weston, and Repton. While he was at Repton, he had the opportunity to taste test chocolate bars for a company, an experience that served as the inspiration for Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Dahl joined the Royal Air Force when he was 23 years old and served as a fighter pilot in World War II. In 1940, he survived a plane crash and returned to battle once he recovered. After that, he served as a spy for the UK's Secret Intelligence Service. He also helped invent a medical device called the Wade-Dahl-Till valve that relieved the pressure in the skulls of children with water heads after his son was afflicted with the ailment after a car crash. Roald Dahl's main claim to fame, though, is his children's books, the first of which was James the Giant Peach, published in 1961. James and the Giant Peach follows a boy who lives a miserable and lonely life with his 2 mean old aunts. After receiving some magic crystals promised to prevent him from ever being unhappy again, he accidentally spills some near a peach tree before he can use them. A giant peach grows from the tree, which he crawls inside and meets 7 human-sized insect friends. Together they cut the stem of the peach and start a cross-country adventure to escape his horrible life. This title won the Massachusetts Children's Award in 1982. Another popular work of Roald Dahl's is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory from 1964. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is the story of a boy who wins a sweepstakes lottery-type prize to tour the highly mysterious chocolate factory of an eccentric chocolatier who hasn't let anyone inside for many years. This whimsical story has been enjoyed for generations and has been adapted to film twice since its publication. Roald Dahl himself wrote the screenplay for the 1971's Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Dahl won many awards for this title, including the New England Round Table's Children's Librarians Award, the Surrey School Award, the Millennium Children's Book Award, and the Blue Peter Book Award. Another popular title is Matilda from 1988. This book was his last long children's book and was adapted to film in 1996. The genius 5-year-old Matilda navigates stupid and negligent parents and a harsh bully of a headmistress to finally be able to learn in school. Matilda received 2 awards, the Federation of Children's Book Groups Awards in 1988, and the nation's favorite children's book title in a BBC Bookworm poll. Other titles by Roald Dahl include The Fantastic Mr. Fox, Danny the Champion of the World, The Enormous Crocodile, Revolting Rhymes, The BFG, The Witches, SEO Trot, and The Min Pins. Thank you for watching.